G'day and welcome to the Label Expo Daily Australia New Zealand Video Wrap. Day 3. This issue is sponsored by Curry Group, which represents AB Graphic International in Australia and in New Zealand. This is Wayne Robinson, editor of Print 21, editor of the Print 21 media platform, coming to you live from the show and live from the AB Graphic International stand. It is day 3, as I say. 600 exhibitors here on the show floor. It's an immense exhibition at the Parc des Expositions here in Brussels. Tens of thousands of visitors who are attending over the last 2 days and the next 2 days, including a sizable number from Australia and from New Zealand. Many of those Australian and Kiwi label print people were at O'Reilly's Irish pub in the middle of Brussels last night, or yesterday evening I should say, for the ANZ Label Expo party, which, as you can imagine, was a roaring success. And thanks from all who went to that event to the sponsors for the gratis beer and tucker. Those sponsors including Jet Technologies, Curry Group, GMS Pacific, Rotometrics, Rodden Graphics and Graphics. Here in the halls, the long-standing partnership between leading finishing equipment manufacturer AB Graphic International, who's standing on, and HP Indigo has resulted in the addition of a non-stop winding technology for the new V12 digital press. That's HP Indigo's flagship narrow web label press. The companies say the collaboration provides a significant enhancement in the automation capabilities offered by the V12. The new 120 meters a minute 12 color label press will be coming to Australia and New Zealand through Curry Group. ABG also as the next evolution of its Omega SRI high performance slitting, rewinding and inspection label finishing system here on the stand. And machines also include the Digicon Series 3 modular digital embellishment system, which is being shown here with Digilaser and Digijet in the specification ordered by CMYK Hub yesterday. It's fully automated, no tooling required. Embellishing includes spot varnish, high build, cold foiling and digital die cutting, again with no tooling. Like all the label shows, Label Expo is demanding on the feet. No need to go to the gym while you're here, that's for sure. And venturing further than the main stands is quite revealing. Of course, there are many exhibitors among those 600 with no presence down under. One of the other interesting aspects is the development of the many Chinese exhibitors that are here with their equipment. The Chinese stands, anyone who's been to a show will know in the past they are impenetrable in many ways. But now they've changed and they're welcoming, and the equipment no longer just copies of Western kit, they're developing their own IP. But for most Australian New Zealand visitors, it's the well-known brands that have piqued their interest. And one of the unmissable trends here that print people are seeing as they're going on the stands, talking to the vendors, that's the move to integrate production equipment units, label presses, converting kit into an integrated workflow. Manufacturers are increasingly recognising that actual printing is but one part of the whole manufacturing process, which of course starts with the estimate and ends at the invoice. And that to gain maximum efficiencies from the machine and from the business, an end-to-end ecosystem is the way to go. By using digital data to drive manufacturing and to provide management analysis and to deliver real-time connection through the cloud to vendor service, benchmarking and consumable supply, label print businesses can really turbocharge their productivity and efficiency, which should translate into a significant bottom line boost. Many of the print machinery developers here are offering digital workflow solutions to be able to enable their print businesses or their print customers to achieve those efficiencies. And they certainly need to be part of any conversation about printing equipment these days. Standalone software developers also, such as eProductivity Software. That's the software business that was spun out of EFI almost 2 years ago now. They're also focused on providing label print businesses, among others, with complete solutions. That's it for this issue of Label Expo ANZ Show Daily Wrap. Thanks to our sponsor, Curry Group. This is Wayne Robinson, editor of the Print 21 Media Group, signing off from Label Expo Day 3 with the show wrap.